What's up everyone, Tony here, and I want to wish each and every one of you a happy holiday. And my gift to you guys is to actually do an unboxing here for you guys of the American Express Aeroplan Reserve credit card, as well as show you the new design of the new Aeroplan membership card. Just look how clean that looks. As most of you guys already know from my previous review videos, this card right here cost a whopping $599 just to keep it around year after year, just $100 lower than the platinum card, which cost $699. So if you're new to the credit card game, you have no idea why anyone in the right mind would get something like this. But not to worry, other than the clean dark metal finish, and yes, this is actually one of the only metal credit cards here available in Canada to Canadians, and I really hope they would make more of these because they just look absolutely beautiful. I'm actually going to talk to you guys from a more financial side of things, the more number side of things as well. So other than it's a metal credit card, it's a flex at restaurants, why would this make sense? Why would this make sense financially? And the answer is yes. So I'm going to explain all that to you here in this video today. Welcome back if you're returning, and if you're new, my name is Tony, and on this channel we focus on personal finance and more specifically credit cards. We upload every single week on content just like this one. So if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe with the bell. And also my next video, or the video that's coming out very soon, is going to be a new Aeroplan video on teaching everyone how to use the Aeroplan points, the new system, what's the best way to maximize Aeroplan points. And I know a lot of you guys are holding onto the Aeroplan points, are looking to get into the Aeroplan ecosystem, or even holding a bunch of American Express MR points that's ready to be transferred, and Aeroplan is an option. So I feel like that video will bring a lot of value to a lot of you, so make sure you subscribe with the bell for that. And a huge favor is to smash the like button, because what then happens is YouTube will actually recognize you like these kinds of content. They will actually show you more videos just like this, and vice versa. They will show this video to more people as well, so they could benefit as well. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and let's get into the video. To kick things off, it will arrive in a huge box like this that says "Your journey awaits," wrapped in a FedEx package. One thing to note here is that when you first apply and get approved, it will actually give you a pop-up saying your card will arrive in 10 business days. But because this is a premium level credit card, it will actually get complimentary express shipping and arrive around 2 days. I had the same 2-day shipping when I got my business platinum card as well as my personal platinum cards, which is pretty sweet. And it just shows how Amex goes one step above and beyond, because they can simply put it in standard shipping, but they want the users to have that slight better experience when they are getting a premium credit card. After opening the box, you see this beautiful matte black finish, which has some resemblance to the Centurion card or black card, which is pretty cool. Obviously, there's some stuff covered up here, but this card is not actually mine. I actually helped my mom apply for this, and she actually is lending us this card to do a review and unboxing video. I didn't end up going for this offer myself because being stuck at home until the unforeseeable future, I don't know if I'm going to be hitting the minimum spend requirements without overspending more than I need to. And of course, that's always something that I have been preaching on this channel. It doesn't make sense for you to buy something, or in this case multiple things, you don't need just to hit a sign-up bonus. In her case though, it actually did make sense, so I helped her secure the bonus of 75k Aeroplan points, which we are hoping to use these points towards a business class to Hawaii redemption. So if you've never had Amex before, the pin is actually in the front and the card number is in the back, and personally I like this design a lot, and I like this design a lot better, and I think it looks just a lot cleaner in my opinion and less cluttered. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below if you agree or disagree with me here. The number 20 means member since 2020, so if you're watching this in 2021 and that's when you get your first Amex card, then it's gonna say 21 on there. And then again, this card is metal, but something I noticed right away when unboxing this card is it's actually lighter than the platinum card if you compare them side by side. And then if you open up the box here, the fine print along with the benefits are all in here. As you guys know, in the past, we went over the benefits of this card, and I have actually done a side-by-side comparison as well between this card and the Platinum card. So I'll link above and down below that video if you guys want to see a full review of the perks and benefits on the Aeroplan Reserve. So for those of you that just want a high-level overview of why this card makes sense financially, what does this guy mean by it's a good financial decision to get like a $600 credit card? So I'm gonna go over everything from the sign-up bonus to some of the little perks. If you want to see the full review, again, the video is linked above and down in the description. So the sign-up bonus has basically 3 parts. Number 1 is the normal sign-up bonus like other credit cards, which is the first 3 months you need to spend $3,000, and then the sign-up bonus that you will get in points is 35,000 Aeroplan reward points, and as well as $100 statement credit offsetting the annual fee from $600 to $500. The second part of the bonus is that the first 6 months of card ownership, every single month that you spend $1,000 or more, you're going to be getting a bonus of 5,000 Aeroplan points for a total of 30,000 Aeroplan points. And lastly, if you sign up for the newsletter, you're going to get a bonus 10,000 Aeroplan points. So if you add everything together, it's going to be a total of 75,000 Aeroplan reward points as of the sign-up bonus, plus a $100 statement credit. So that's the entirety of the sign-up bonus. The value of 75k Aeroplan points will vary, but a good historical average is 2 cents per point. So that makes it $1,500 worth of points. Assuming you too will find this kind of value out of your points, then the sign-up bonus alone already paid for the annual fee 3-fold, so the first year is really a no-brainer. On top of that, you can think of the perks and benefits and multipliers as add-ons, and that's really weird to say because as a premium level credit card, those are definitely not something to laugh about. Again, assuming this 2 cents per point ratio, you will be getting a 6% return on Air Canada purchases, 4% on food and takeouts, 2% on everything else. Definitely very respectable multipliers, although I think the Amex Platinum is a little bit better in these multipliers, but there's no complaints here. In terms of benefits, because it is an Air Canada credit card, it is more geared towards Air Canada and Aeroplan Star Alliance. But my personal favorite that I wanted to highlight for this video is the lounge access. So you guys will get lounge access of Air Canada lounges, Air Canada signature suites, as well as Star Alliance lounges across Canada and US. You also get a bunch of Air Canada perks like priority check-in, boarding, free check bags, and so on. And again, for a more detailed, a more in-depth review, I'll link that video above and down in the description if you guys want to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, but wait, before you go, make sure you subscribe with the bell so you don't miss the next video that's coming out on how to use Aeroplan points effectively, how to really maximize those Aeroplan points. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys in the next video, so make sure you subscribe with the bell for that and for more content just like this one coming out every single week. And if you guys already made it this far, make sure you smash that like button because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. It actually even tells YouTube to show you more videos like this, and vice versa, it will show this video to more people as well so they could enjoy it as well. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this new card design, about the matte black finish, and about American Express's design in general versus normal Visa and MasterCards where they have the card number in the front. Personally, I prefer this a lot better. I think it looks a lot more cleaner, and I hope it gets implemented in a lot of other cards. So let me know what you guys think down below, and as always, have an amazing day. Peace.